Michael Pachter joining us now on the phone, Wedbush research analyst. He has an outperform rating and $250 price target on shares of Facebook. Michael, great to catch up with you. Let's talk about that argument from Facebook at the moment. Size for them matters and size can help. Do you think that's going to resonate with Washington?
I think that one thing that Cheryl said is right, which is that the service is free. So, consumers have choice, but they're not paying. What she said that's wrong is that, Facebook does probably have the potential to behave in an anti-competitive fashion, and the anti-competition isn't, causing prices for consumers to go up. It's causing prices for advertisers to go up. The fact is that, advertisers are losing the television over-the-air outlet over time as people cut the cord. That's being replaced by subscription services that are generally ad-free. I mean, Hulu has an ad-supported option, but Netflix does not. And those ad dollars are flowing to the Internet, and they're flowing to Facebook. They're flowing to Google. They're flowing to Amazon. So the big guys that regulators are looking at are capturing a disproportionate share of ad growth on the Internet, and they are behaving in an anti-competitive manner to keep others from, capturing a piece of that pie. So I understand the government's argument. I understand Cheryl's argument. What's working for Facebook right now is the law is actually on their side. These laws were drafted in the 1930s. And nobody actually thought about the Internet back then. And we've got, these strict constructionist Supreme Court justices. It's going to be hard for them to overturn the laws or to interpret the laws as applying to this type of situation. And Congress is spineless. I don't see them passing any new laws. So I actually think Facebook prevails, but I think it's an interesting question.
Well, let's get our teeth into that question then, Michael. Senator Warren, as you know, has been out there really bashing this company. Her campaign posted online the following quote: "Today's big tech companies have too much power. Too much power over our economy, our society and our democracy. America has a long tradition of breaking up companies when they have become too big and dominant, even if they are generally providing good service at a reasonable price, and in this instant, for free." Here's the question to you, and I think you've answered it in your recent research, Michael. I'd love to bring it to our audience. Can existing antitrust laws force divestiture of any business within this company?
I think not. And, Elizabeth Warren is in the same position that Donald Trump was in 4 years ago when he promised to protect Medicare and your health plans at all costs, and then did everything he could to overturn Obamacare. And he was going to pass a middle-class tax cut, which never happened. So I think Elizabeth Warren is pandering to the left wing of the Democratic Party and trying to get those people energized. I don't think she'll get anything through Congress if elected. And no, the existing laws really don't allow Congress to undo anything, or DOJ to undo anything, unless they can prove fraud. And that's what today's revelations are about WhatsApp, that Facebook was acting in an anti-competitive manner and somehow hid that fact. I don't know if that's true, but that's what the allegations are this morning.
Do you think those allegations have got legs, Michael?
No, I don't. I mean, Facebook Messenger was just about as big as WhatsApp when they bought WhatsApp, and all they were trying to do is accelerate their growth. I think it's about as anti-competitive as Apple buying Beats. Apple was already in the headset business, so who cares? And I don't think that Facebook was looking at WhatsApp as an ad platform as it was configured. They were just saying 10 or 15 years down the line, there's a big opportunity for advertising to migrate into text-based services. So no, I don't. But again, I haven't seen the documents, and who knows how devious and evil the people writing those documents were. I just don't know the answer.